everybody, welcome here to Woodsford Road in Crossways. I've got a brilliant little 2-bedroom property here with allocated parking and a private rear garden. If this is something you're looking for, well, I'm going to show you exactly what we've got. Entering the property, you are welcomed by a well-proportioned lounge diner with ample understair storage and a seamless connection to the kitchen. The kitchen is well equipped with space for appliances such as washing machine, tumble dryer, oven and fridge freezer. Ample work surface allows you to cook up those culinary classics, and you have the benefit of a slate floor, easy to maintain. Door access out to the private rear garden is found from here. Here on the top floor, we have 2 double bedrooms served by the family bathroom. Well, what a lovely little 2-bedroom family home that one is. If you're interested to take a look at this property, give our sales team a call today. We look forward to hearing from you. See you later.